Ndewo nwa akwụkwọ. Hello students. My name is Nkiruka. I am a teacher of the Igbo language. Afa m bụ Nkiruka. Abụ m onye nkuzi Igbo. Abụ m otu onye nkuzi Language and Culture Hub. I am one of the teachers of the Language and Culture Hub. Language and Culture Hub nwere ezigbota ndị nkuzi. The Language and Culture Hub has lots of good and great teachers. Taa, anyị ga-amụta maka Ekene dị iche iche n'asụsụ Igbo. Today, we're going to be learning about greeting and the different types of greeting that you come across in Igbo land. The first one is Ndewo, the one I used to welcome you to this class. Ndewo. Say it after me. Ndewo. We say Ndewo to say hello, welcome. I always say you say Ndewo when you walk into a place and you see people. One person, you say Ndewo. If it's more than one person, you say Ndewo no. Let's try for one person. Ndewo. Ndewo. If it's more than one person, Ndewo no. Ndewo no. Other ones we say to welcome people is no. No. Say it after me. No. For one person. Again, if it's for two people, you say no, no. People come and greet you. They come into your house. No, for one person. No, for one person. No, no. If you have more than one person. No, no. Welcome to my house or welcome home. In the morning, first of all, I'll define morning. Morning in Igbo is ụtụtụ. Say it after me. Ụtụtụ. Ụtụtụ. And good in Igbo is ọma. 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 The English people say good morning, but the Igbo people proclaim good on your morning. We say ụtụtụ ọma. May your morning be good. So it's a way of bridging the gap in Igbo land. Or for trying to describe Igbo in English, you say good morning, but we say your morning be good. So it's commonplace to say ụtụtụ ọma. Again, say it after me. Ụtụtụ ọma. Very good. Ụtụtụ ọma. In other places in Igbo land, they will say Ibolachi. Ibolachi. Have you woken into the morning? Ibolachi. Some people say Isalachi. 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 And there's another group of people that say Mamanu. Mamanu. That's another way we greet in Igbo land. Saying welcome also, some people say Ibiala. Ibiala. Have you come? Ibiala. Which one are you familiar with or which one have you heard? Let's go to afternoon. Afternoon will say, afternoon again is Ehihie. Ehihie. And if we have to do Ehihie good, Ehihie ọma. Can we say it together? Ehihie ọma. Evening is known as Abali. Abali. Some people say Mgbede. Some people also call it Mgbede. So if it states good evening, it's Abali ọma. Abali ọma. Or if you want to say Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Dalo. Dalo is thank you. And maybe you want to say good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Say ka o mesia. See you later. Ka o mesia. If it's good night, we'll say kachi fo. Let the morning come. Kachi fo. Say it after me. Kachi fo. Did that well. Some people also say kachibo. Kachibo. If you go to a house of mourning, The Igbo people are famous. The Igbo people will say, sorry. Sorry for your loss. Sorry for your loss. And that's Ndo. Ndo. And if it's a house of joy, you say, Ibanigo. In a more former. Ibaliala. Ibaliala, meaning you've tried. Ibaliala, you've tried. Or Inaanwa. You are trying. Excuse me. Biko eweliwe. If you need to step aside. Biko eweliwe. Please don't be upset. Don't be offended. Biko ewela iwe. Another way you greet people that have been working. You walk into a place and people are engaged in work. Jisike. Jisike. Say it after me. Jisike. Say thank you again is Dalu. 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 Someone is not feeling well and you go and see them, you say, Ariakwala. Ariakwala. Don't be sick. Ariakwala. What's to say someone come and eat? You say, Bia Renri. Bia Renri. Bia is come. Renri is come and eat. Bia Renri. Say it after me. Bia Renri. Part of greeting, someone sees you say, Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere means how are you? Kedu ka imere. How are you? Kedu ka imere. And your response most times to say I'm fine is Adem mma. Adem mma. Some people say Odemma. Odemma means it's fine. Ademma is I am fine. Now let's say Ademma. 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 And sometimes you may not be fine and you want to convey that. Adegem ma. Adegem ma. Once you put the ge, G-H-I, it turns the ade, which is I am, to I am not. Ademumma, I am fine. Adegemumma, I am not fine. And if you say, Kedu ka negi mere. Let's assume, so Kedu ka negi mere. Ne is mom. Negi, your mom. You're responsible. Nem, demma. My mom is fine. So Kedu ka imere. I am. How are you? Ademumma. Kedu ka negi mere. How is your mom? Nem demma. My mom is fine. I don't know if I've missed out anything in greetings, but it's a learning journey. Anything we've missed, we'll pick it up in another class. I hope you enjoyed today's class and I would love to see you again. Mwanu, kachifo, kachibo, bosiozo, anyamumakwa, asusibo. Don't miss my class. See you next time. Alo.